Hello. Now I'm going to give you a quick rundown of my opinion on the Menards Masterforce plunge cut track saw. I cannot complain with what I've seen so far. I don't use a circular saw very often, but it does come in handy when I need to true up an edge on something. I've got a short bed joiner, so I can make a straighter edge on longer pieces with it. It was used to square up my workbench when I made the top on my workbench. It is, like I said, it's a plunge cut track saw. It does not have a riving knife like some of the others do. It's got adjustment points to lock it onto the track. It comes with 4 sections of track. I think they're 27.5 inches long. They're joined together by a bar that got 2 set screws in each. I do recommend that when you put your tracks together, you use a straight edge across the joint to lock before you lock the bars down, to make sure you don't have one track crooked, because it will follow the track. It is all aluminum, good solid piece. Couple of plastic adjustment knobs, but that's to be expected. It's got plenty of power. 6.5 inch blade. Takes anybody's blades that I've seen so far. It does have a lock to lock the motor down so you can get the blades out. I have not tried it with somebody else's tracks. I want to order a PowerTech 48-inch track from Amazon and give that a try, see if it works on it. But it does make a beautiful cut. I cut the poplar piece here a while ago. And it's nice, clean cut, even with the standard stock blade on it. It's nice, it's straight. Dust collection works very well. Or well, as good as to be expected with a track saw, I would say. And overall, I cannot complain. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to get into a track saw, this will work for you. Like I said, I paid $1.99 I think for it at Menards. Give it a shot. It's worth it. The Masterforce series has always done me very well, so you can't go wrong.